guys, so today I am going to show you how to take a pair of plain boots, these aren't plain anymore, and add nailhead studs to them. It's really easy to do. This video is not going to be very long. You'll just need a couple tools, some pliers, some small needle nose pliers, and also some nailhead studs. You can also get these in like a crystal look and put those on instead. I've done a few other things. So besides boots and any leather products, I've done some jackets. So let's see, I did this jacket here, did around the pockets, and let's see, I did this jacket here, which I thought turned out pretty cute. It just kind of adds a little bling to it. I did another one, this one here, but I'm not very happy with this one. I'm probably going to redo it. I feel like I made it look too bikerish, and it already has the rips and stuff, and so then when I wear it, I don't know. I'm going to probably redo that one. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so here is my old boots, and they're fine, but they really have nothing special about them. And so what I did was I did this. Here I did a line of nail heads around the seam and also around the buckles, and it just kind of dresses it up. And so that's what I'll show you how to do. Okay, so you'll need a couple of tools. First of all, you'll need a hole puncher. I like this one to go through leather because it's a little thicker. I have this other one which is thinner, and it's nice like for fabric and stuff, but this one I can really get a grip onto to poke a hole in the leather. A pair of small pliers to bend the prongs over. At least that's what I use. I've heard of people using a spoon, but this way you can actually grab the prong and flip it over. And then other than that, you want to just pick out and order some nail heads. I mean, you can see this one has, there we go, 2 little prongs. Some of them come with 4 or even 6. I like this little one because it doesn't have very many. But I have all kinds of different types of studs with different sets of prongs. I use this bigger one here on jackets. I like that one a lot. And I even have some ones that are kind of blingy. They have crystals on them. And then I have a variety of others. I have small ones, and I've got the dark ones, and I have brass ones. Anyways, you want to order some. You can find them on eBay, or I usually just find mine on Amazon. If you're doing washable clothes, you want to make sure that they're made out of aluminum or some kind of metal that won't rust. Okay, so here's kind of a closer look so you can see the different types. You can see that they all have different numbers of the studs that you have to turn over. The fewer, the easier it is, though I suggest that the more you have, like these have 6, the better they'll stay on. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do with my boots is I'm going to poke, because my nail heads have the 2 prongs, I'm going to poke 2 little holes into my boot and start here and just go in and out a couple of times to make sure the hole is big enough. And you don't have to get this right on, because anything you order or get is going to have, you can bend these and make them even wider or narrower. You just kind of want to guess. In fact, I can tell that this one is probably a little bit too wide. Oh, maybe not. Okay, so on the inside of my boot, I've got a prong there. And all I'm going to do is take my pliers and bend it over. Oh, and that one just popped through. And bend this one over. Just make sure you want it bent enough that it's not going to like poke you in your leg. And so there is my first one, and I'm going to continue on all the way around. Now I don't actually measure the distance between the ones I do. I just kind of guesstimate. And really, if you're pretty good at eyeballing things, I feel like this looks quite even just by, guesstimating. It's not like someone's going to come up and measure how far apart your nail heads are. But if you'd rather be exact, you can take a tape measure and figure out how far you want them apart, and then just mark them with a piece of maybe a white pencil or something like that. So you just want to keep continuing around until you get to the other side. If you're like me, you'll decide this is so easy to do, you'll end up doing a lot of your clothes. Okay, so I went all the way around, and now I'm going to do the straps. You'll be amazed how simple this really is just to make them look better. Okay, they're all done. I can't wait to wear them. Thanks for watching.